Listen, sometimes the data is a black box. No functions, no formulas. Probability is a beast we cannot tame. We are blind in the dark, but we are not weaponless. Probability can be a monster hiding in the night. We try to calculate the risk, but nothing goes right. The integral is missing, the density is gone. We're stumbling in darkness, waiting for the dawn. When the problem is impossible and panic starts to grow, we need a simple weapon, a jagged arrow for the bow. We don't need the details, we don't need the perfect line. We just need the boundaries to make the stars align. Don't worry, student, help is on the way. Two Russian legends are here to save the day. They don't ask for much, just give them the basics to fight the chaos in the probability matrix. Markov and Chebyshev, they are our helpers, standing in the storm like mighty shelters. Sometimes they are weak, the bounds are loose and wide. Sometimes they are strong, with nowhere left to hide. But remember this forever, keep it in your groove. In the general case, they cannot be improved. You cannot make them fail. First comes Markov, keeping it positive. Only for numbers greater than zero, that's how we live. You wanna know the chance, the value goes too high. Just look at the formula, give it a try. Take the expected value, put it on the top, divide by your threshold, and make the monster stop. The mean divided by the value, that is the ceiling. A simple upper bound with a powerful feeling. Markov and Chebyshev, they are our helpers, standing in the storm like mighty shelters. Sometimes they are weak, the bounds are loose and wide. Sometimes they are strong, with nowhere left to hide. But remember this forever, keep it in your groove. In the general case, they cannot be improved. But what if we have variance? He measures the deviation. How far from the center did the data fly? He looks at the distance with a steady eye. Put the variance up high like a king on a throne. Divide by epsilon squared, now the zone is known. Variance over epsilon squared, it's a heavy attack. The probability handles the rest of the pack. You might say it's too broad, it's not precise enough. You might say this estimation is way too rough. But for the class of all random variables known to man, this is the sharpest limit in the master plan. You can't do better, it is the mathematical law. Sharp bounds. Markov and Chebyshev, they are our helpers, standing in the storm like mighty shelters. Sometimes they are weak, the bounds are loose and wide. Sometimes they are strong, with nowhere left to hide. But remember this forever, keep it in your groove. In the general case, they cannot be improved. Mean over alpha, that's Markov and Chebyshev. The monster is tame.